Hi guys, Mr. Andrew here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make a recipe. We're going to make pancakes, okay? These are the English kind of pancakes, not the American kind. So you know those big, thick, fluffy ones? Those are American pancakes. We're going to make pancakes that are like crepes, okay? And we're only going to need 4 simple ingredients. So come on right in and let's get cracking. Okay, so for our pancake recipe, I said we need 4 main ingredients. We need white flour, 100 grams. We need milk, 300 milliliters, 2 eggs, a spoonful of oil, and then later we'll be adding a little pinch of salt. Okay? For the serving, we will use a lemon and sugar. Instruments that we are going to use, we're going to use a fork, a spoon, a wooden spoon, a ladle, and a big large bowl. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to pour the flour into the big bowl. Next, we will crack open the eggs. 1, 2. Then we will pour in the 300 milliliters of milk, a pinch of salt, and with our fork we're going to whisk it in so we have a mixture. Okay, so like all good chefs, Mr. Andrew forgot one basic ingredient that we said, a spoonful of oil. So we'll add it in now. Make sure we mix it again correctly, and then once we have finished mixing, we will leave the mixture for 30 minutes before we fry it. Great, so now we have our mixture ready, yeah? I've put some olive oil in the frying pan and I've wiped it clean with a little bit of kitchen towel, okay? Put it on to a medium heat, okay? Let's leave it on a medium heat, and as soon as the frying pan is heated up, we will use our ladle to go taking mixture and covering the pan. So after about a minute, we have to try and flip the pancake over. So for that we use a wooden spoon just to let it loose from the frying pan. Just to let it a little bit loose from the frying pan. And then very carefully we have to try and flip it over. Okay, and another minute on the other side, and we carefully try to fold it in half again. Okay, and now we can serve our crepe on the plate. And we go for the next one. If you need help with this step, okay, make sure you ask an adult. So again, we fold it in half and into a quarter, and there we go. We serve it on our plate, and we serve it with lemon juice and sugar. This is the typical way of serving it in England.